What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fish in the North. We are packed up, ready to head out. We're going up north for some lake trout to a pretty damn good lake, hopefully.
Decently remote.
Pretty remote. We're just about to head out on the road. Might stop for some coffees, and then we'll catch up with you guys once we're on the lake. So we'll see you guys out there. Alrighty guys, we just got to the landing. We got about a 10-minute skidoo ride ahead of us. It's gorgeous out here. It snowed about 5 centimeters last night. Just beautiful. And we'll be on the lake shortly, get set up. Looks like it's gonna be a nice overcast day today. And hopefully no wind. That'll be awesome. So that's just a little update. We'll catch up with you guys once we're on the lake. Get off! Guys, we just got to the lake, set up. We're in about 53 feet of water right now, so it should be good. We marked a whole pile of fish when we first got here, and they kind of dispersed now. We're just switching up baits, trying to see what's gonna trigger a bite. But right about now, we are just cooking up a breakfast sandwich. Lines on the fish finder yet. Both of our lures there. So pretty nice out. It's a little windy though, so
Ice is a little bit slushy. A couple inches is
a little bit slushy. Yeah, it's not too bad though actually. As you guys probably saw from the beginning of the video, the lake's down like probably 12 or 15 feet. Because they've got a hydro dam on this lake, so it's just nuts, all the ice sheets that are around the edges of the lake and stuff. So might get a little bit more footage of that. Maybe we'll go take a look after. So hopefully we tie into one here shortly. Alright, close your bill. We got a really active fish right here. I think this one might eat. So it's probably not. Oh, here it comes, it's coming up. Oops, it's real slow.
It's shooting up pretty good.
Oh, he's coming up again. Oh yeah, he's ripping. Oh, he went to bottom. Go back down. Yeah, close your bill. Go up. Yep. Go up. Keep going. Shiz.
He wants it, but he's not committing. All right, Jane. We just went out, drilled a bunch of holes to check depths, and Jane hooked up
With a little guy.
But
Oh, a little cutie.
what a laker!
Ooh.
We're on them.
Look at this beautiful little lake trout. Right there, buddy.
Spray.
Any pooping on me?
Ugh.
Ugh.
Yum.
Look at that. Just a gorgeous little trout.
Hey, buddy.
Nice chunky belly on him.
Yeah, he's
been eating well.
Yeah.
So, get a little. This is just a small lake trout. It's only about 16, 17 inches. Just a little wee guy.
Yeah.
Came up and crushed my bait.
Yeah,
So we're
wow. He literally just picked up his rod.
Yeah.
And boom, I'm on.
Boom, I'm on. Alright, we'll grab a couple pics and then we'll send her back. Alright, so this fish is all natural too. It's got all those fins. Just a gorgeous little laker. So we're gonna get her back so she can turn into a monster. And she is gone.
Bye.
Woo! Later, buddy.
We're on them.
On the board. There's the last one.
Hey.
Your video? Your vision?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, guys, we got. Ow.
Oh, he choked it.
Yeah, you took that one good. We had a fish on the screen there. This guy came up and crushed it. It's a gorgeous little, I don't know, 17-inch lake trout. Just a beautiful little fish. Gorgeous dark color.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
Natural.
All natural, Brookie. Or Laker. Brookie. Crunch my bait.
Fish.
Yeah, so just a gorgeous little one. He I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys what I'm using. He killed this little wee 3-inch. I believe it's a Berkeley power bait. Let's see, it's a ripple shad. Absolutely crushed it.
Yeah, he did. He hammered it.
So, give you one last look at this feisty little guy. Jeepers. Gorgeous fish. I'm gonna get her back.
Oh yeah. You're in the drink.
Okay, easy there, buddy.
Oh, wrong way. Go on.
There you go.
Nice.
Heck yeah. Let's get some more. Got a fish on the screen. Cooking up my sandwich for lunch. Lou's got his tea on. Hopefully we'll pick up a fish again. I just released that one, not even 5 minutes ago, the last one there. Oh, he's rocketing up, Lou. Oh.
And we're on him again.
Yeah,
This guy was toying with us.
Toying with us super hard. You see him?
Not yet.
Should be coming up soon. It's not even head shaking. It's weird. This might be a burbot or something, man.
Yeah?
Just dead weight.
No, it's a laker.
Yeah. That little guy. Bourbon.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you like that. Oh, little guy.
Whoop, whoop. Look at how easy that hook popped out, eh? They're such bony mouths. This one's got a beautiful color pattern to it.
Yeah,
It's kind of
wow.
different than the last ones. It's got much more of like a spot.
Yeah, that gold, eh?
Just beautiful.
The cheeks on that
He's staring at you like you guys are jerks.
guy. Been abducted.
Just a gorgeous natural lake trout. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh. That's why we do this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fish in the north.
Fish in the north.
We out here.
Yeah, just a nice little guy.
Get back to the dips.
This one's probably the smallest one of the day. This guy's about
Yeah.
maybe 15, 14 inches. He's not very big. Healthy
Look at
though.
those
Gorgeous
colors,
healthy
yeah.
fish.
They've all been really
Got a
good.
nice belly. It's good to see a nice, healthy young population in this lake. Give it, 5 or 10 years, there'll be a good solid population of big fish.
Oh yeah.
So, alright, we'll get her back before she
Keep her wet.
gets a little stressed. Alright, see you later,
Peace.
buddy. Alright.
Woo!
Alrighty, guys. Hope you guys can hear me okay with the wind there. As you guys can probably hear, the wind's picked up, the temperatures are dropping pretty bad, and the fishing has definitely gotten a little worse. We only picked up 3 lake trout today, and that was it. So not the result we were looking for, but could have been worse. So keep a positive attitude on that. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give her a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Shoot me some comments, some ideas for next videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy.